Have you ever wondered why the bird of paradise is so mesmerizing? Papua is home to over 40 species of birds of paradise, showcasing an incredible diversity in size, color, and behavior. Each species has unique adaptations and displays. Known for their vibrant plumage, cendrawasih birds perform captivating dances. These displays are not just for beauty, they showcase intelligence and adaptation. Their courtship rituals are a testament to their communication skills. Male birds of paradise are famous for their elaborate courtship displays. They perform intricate dances, often involving vibrant feather displays, to attract females. These displays are crucial for mating success. Cendrawasih play a crucial role in their ecosystem. By spreading seeds, they help maintain forest biodiversity. Subscribe for more fascinating insights.